Hey guys, Paul Pluta on the Paul Pluta channel. And today guys, I'm doing a paid review. This is a paid review for Jakov. There we go. And a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing a Omega Speedmaster. Man on the moon. Man on the moon. And today guys, he's got a question. Hi Archie Paul, first of all thank you for your work on the YouTube channel there. He goes on to say that the videos are entertaining and the advice is great. Keep them coming. Sending you the estimated $25 US and a question to which I hope soon to see on your channel. I am 35, wasn't into watches for many years, but until recently, bought my first watch 5 years ago, a Seiko, and was quite happy with it. My wife bought me a slim quartz watch about a year ago, a mundane, simple, elegant, but it was a shitter. But neither of us still didn't realize that because neither of us were into watches, and it just served a purpose of telling the time and having a decent fashion look. Since then, I started getting more and more interested in watches and started saving money for a good watch which will serve me daily. And here's the deal. I am working in high-tech manufacturing environment. I have to work in latex lab gloves a lot, and a thin watch is really much more comfortable than a regular 12mm thick one. I was really aiming towards a Rolex GMT Master, the Batman preferably, but recently the Bulgari Octo Finissimo has caught my eye and simply would not let go. I would gladly wear it on a bracelet daily, and a thin watch is really he would wear it and it looks really fancy, dressy and cool on straps as well for these occasions. Is it any good? I understand it's not as good as Rolex, but any good. They go for the same money on Chrono. They go on Chrono 24 pre-owned, and I guess that the Octo Finissimo will become a somewhat cheaper in the years to come. Really would love hearing your thoughts on the topic. Take care, Jakov. P.S. Please use my name in your video. What's wrong with everybody not using their names these days? Well, I totally agree. And let's have a talk about this insanity that this man is saying here. So Bulgari is a very highly respected Italian jeweler and fashion house. And what's basically happened is the Bulgari Octo, this is a very interesting watch. I gotta be completely frank and honest with you there. I think you'd have to have absolute rocks in your fucking head to buy this thing. I mean, it is a fucking Bulgari, for fuck's sake. I mean, Bulgari, they are a fashion brand. They had a few good watches. The Snake, the little lady's snake watch, which is, who was that? Elizabeth Taylor wore. They're quite cool, very collectible. But for a man, this Bulgari Octo Finissimo, it's really kind of like a Bulgari take on a Royal Oak. That's what it's kind of trying to do there. I gotta be honest with you, they are fucking stupid. That's a silly watch to buy. They are not cheap. They are not cheap watches. I think you'd have to be nuts to buy such a piece. It is madness. If you're an engineer or working in that type of environment, there is so much that I would buy instead of a fucking Bulgari. I mean, fuck me dead. That watch is just a horrid fashion watch with very little horological significance. Big money watch. I don't understand why you'd seriously want to buy one of these things here. They have it in weird metals, tantalum. It's really, what can I say there? It's just a ugly fucking Bulgari fashion watch at crazy prices. Man, that watch just says you're a fashion junkie. I really, 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 really would not be buying that watch there. I think you really would have rocks in your fucking head if you really, if you're gonna buy one of these here, it's just fucking crazy. The Bulgari Octo, there's the Roma. I think if you're gonna, oh fuck me, dude. I'm not even gonna get started on this here. Don't buy Bulgari, okay? Bulgari is a fashion brand. They are not for men to wear, okay? They're not for men to wear. Don't do it. Don't do it, Batman. Don't do it. It's not a cool way to go. It's just a stupid idea. You got to buy a Rolex, man. You're going to retain your value. If ever you want to trade out of it, you can get out of it. If you're stuck in a foreign country and you need to get a ticket home, you can get rid of your Rolex. Try getting rid of the Bulgari. The dealers don't even fucking want the thing. They don't even want the fucking thing. And you're going to go in there. You're going to be slaughtered. It's just absolutely crazy. Why would you do it? I don't know. I really don't know why you would do that. I think it's stupidity. There's some things in life you do not do, and that is one of them. You were committing it's just unsaleable garbage. It's really unsaleable. I would be very, very careful with what I did there. I would say to you, in all honesty, be careful. Be careful. The world is a fucking minefield. The world is a minefield. You got to buy this watch, then what? You're going to put thousands into it? You want to get out of it? No bastard will want it. You're going to do your shirt. If you can sell this thing, you will lose. You will halve your money. It's a dumb thing to do. You buy Rolex. Rolex retains its value. You always have the money, and it's a Rolex. You're a man of style and substance. You buy the Bulgari, it's ooh. You know, it just really is not a very smart thing to do. I'm trying to work with you. You've paid for the review. I gotta be honest with you. Stay away from Bulgari for men. It's just not a clever thing to do. Stay away. It's very, very dumb. It's stupid. It's dumb. Now, it's okay. You got a mundane watch. That's the Swiss railway station type watch. They're okay. They're cheap. They're affordable. That's not a big disaster. But you're going to buy a Bulgari. What the fuck do you want me to say to you? What the fuck do you want me to say to you? And this is a very stupid thing to do. It's dumb. It's fucking ridiculous. And you'd have to have fucking rocks in your head, man. It's fucking just so, it's just so unbelievable that you'd actually consider getting one of these over a Rolex Batman. That is just so fucking dumb. It is just ridiculous. Why would you even consider that? That's stupid. It's dumb. If you've got money to throw away, get it. But man, this is a fashion watch. Once the fashion cycle turns, no bastard will want this fucking thing. I mean, the whole point of buying classic, iconic watches is so that you can always get your money back. You've got something that is timeless and wanted the world over. The Bulgari, it's not a serious watch brand. It's a fashion brand. Fashion brand. That's what it is. It's a fashion brand for fashionistas. You know, it's not for true lovers of wristwatches. You know, so I got to be honest with you there. Is it any good? Well, it's not a terrible watch, but fuck, it's a fashion watch. No, I wouldn't buy it. You'd have to have rocks in your head. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It'll hurt. You'll lose all your money. You will really fucking regret it. That's the honest truth. You buy it, you have to have fucking rocks in your head. So there you go. That's the advice. I'm just trying to tell you the truth. So there you go. I'm Paul Pluta. This has been a paid review. And I'd like, please, guys, put some nasty comments about the Bulgari down below. Tell me what you think. And let me know what you fuckers think of that.